Hey, it's Kevin again. Today we're going to talk about segmental retaining wall blocks and just some really basic tips and tricks to get them leveled off properly. So here's a wallscape block from Abbotsford concrete products, and just showing you sort of how it locks together. You want the little tabs on the bottom facing down so that it has a step back when you stack the next rows after the base course. Our base wrap should be done at this point, and we should have a string line set up just to mark out exactly where we want the face of the wall to go. And we're going to start malleting the first one down into place. This will be our starting point for the rest of the wall, so we really want to make sure this first one is level and to the correct height. So we're just going to use a level, place it perpendicular and parallel on the block, checking to make sure that it's getting level as we mallet it down into place. Really important to spend time malleting it actually down into the road base so that it'll limit any future settling. And it's really just a matter of getting used to where to hit the block in order to get it more level. So it takes a bit of trial and error. You definitely have to mallet, check until you get it locked in. And I'll show you some better perspectives of that in a second. But then the next block, we're going to level to the first one. So we're not just leveling it to itself, it's got to be level to the first block. We really want to make sure that each block is leveled front to back and especially left to right, so that over the course and length of the wall, the entire thing is level. So we're using the two red points on the right as our starting point, and we want to make sure that all of these green marks I've put on here are going to be exactly level with those two on the right. Let's say we were to only level to 2 points and we didn't worry about the two on the right there. We can probably guess that all of that yellow mark I've made there could be high or low. So same thing, if we only did the 2 instead of all 4, there's a good chance that all the points on the left could be up or down from that level line. So really want to make sure that all 4 points get leveled off correctly. So once again, malleting it down into place first. So usually the block should be about 1/4 inch above the one beside it when you start. Then you're malleting it down into place and leveling it. And that's the base course. So from here we could fill the center core if you want, and the next course is very simple. We're just making sure the surface is clean and stacking the blocks in place, double checking that the joints are 50% overlap from the course below, and some extra little taps just to get it all situated perfectly. Here's an example of a project that we did where we did base prep, included some drainage, second and first course. And then you can see we filled up the block as we went and applied our capping. So a really nice clean look and ready for soil. Let me know if you have any questions.